Everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome back to another video. You guys, I've been MIA. I know. I've been away for like 2 weeks. I missed you guys. I hope everybody is doing amazing. I did need a little break and just kind of reset. It was hectic these past 2 weeks with school starting, all that. Time got away from me, but yeah, we are back with another video. I'm super glad to be back for today's video. You guys, I'm super excited. I received a package in the mail. Honestly, I have not opened it yet, but I received a package from Tres Colori. I apologize if I'm butchering your name. I don't know how to pronounce it. Bear with me. I tried looking it up, but everybody else that was trying to pronounce it, everybody was saying it different. Yeah, I already know I'm gonna link all the information for this company in the description box so you guys can go ahead and, you know, look at all of their goodies. So yeah, let's just open it and I'll just tell you a little bit about this company. Yay, I'm excited. I have not seen what's inside this yet. I'm super excited for this. Ooh, okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. This company, holy moly. We're gonna get into it. They sent me 5 boxes. Oh my god, so it's so funny because before I even started recording this video, I did reach out. Oh my god, I appreciate you guys. This is so freaking cute. Rings and nails, my 2 favorite things. So they did send me a promo code, you guys. Oh, so first of all, it's 2 S's in my names, but they did one. It's okay. It's okay, I forgive you. So use this code Lissette for 60% off, you guys. 60% off. Amazing. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're just gonna randomly, let me just stack them up and we're gonna open it like that. Let's do this one first. I'm nervous. OMG, that is gorgeous. I love it. Let me do it on my ring. Oh my god, look at these nails. I gotta do these nails. You guys, I have a name ring. I feel so cheesy. This is adorable. Oh, it looks so freaking pretty. Hold on, I gotta see it for myself. Let me take these freaking shits off. You guys know me, I am obsessed with gold. I am obsessed with gold. This is gorgeous. Let me just say something real fast before I open another box. They sell everything from bracelets to necklaces to name rings, anklets, different types of chain as well. They just have different lengths, solid gold, sterling silver. A lot of the stuff is like gold over silver. It's plated with 14 karat gold. It's 14 karat gold and it is a money saver, especially if they use my code. They sell sneaker nameplates, which is so freaking cute. And they also have the chain extenders if you need some, you know, if you want an extra length on your chain or even like your anklet. And they have different types of the chain extenders. A lot of it is just like customized pieces that you can tailor to you. When it comes to like exchanges and returns, if it's a custom piece, they do not return. Well, let me rephrase that. They don't do exchanges. And if you do end up wanting to return it, they will give you a credit for that product. Because it's a custom piece, you know, they really don't want to lose out money on that. Shipping is most likely reasonable. And if you do have any kind of issues, you have 90 days to contact them so they can fix whatever issue it is and, you know, all that good stuff. But a lot of it is all customized, and that's what I love. It's just personalized and it's really catered to you. So yeah, let's open the next box. It's not my birthday yet. Damn! Bling blingy. Holy moly, you guys. This is, I'm gonna feel so bougie with this. Oh, I'm putting it on. What are these? Oh, you see, this is what I was talking about. The extender. Yeah, you see, if you need to extend it, if you want it a little longer. Wow. This is what I was talking about that you can buy separate if you need to. OMG. Let me just get you up and close and personal with this. Let me look at the back. I'm pretty sure this is the dipped in gold. Oh, this is beautiful. And they are New York based, so hello. New York representing New York. Stop. If you don't know my name, what is it? Now all I need is the big hoop name earring. I feel so extra right now just with this alone. Next, you guys. I don't think y'all understand. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, this looks cool. It's a L. Oh, that's cool. Does it fit here? Oh wait, maybe in my middle ring. That's different. Ew. This is so freaking cool. How cute is that? I think I'm gonna wear it on this side because I feel like this hand is empty. And I've never seen anything like this. Super cool. Okay. I've never had anything customized with the word like my nickname Liz. Like, oh, it has like these little crystals inside of it. This is beautiful. It's gonna fit. Oh my, and it fits my pointer. I am obsessed, you guys. Holy moly. Ew. Last and final box, which is the largest box. Are we ready for the last box? I think we're ready. Ooh, these are huge. These are double name rings. Stop. That is hilarious. This is so cute. So instead of LissetteSGelNails, they put LissettesGelNails because it's too long. That is hilarious. Oh, I love it though. Taking photos and putting these on. I've seen so many people do it and I wanted to do it too, but I never had a ring for it. Now I got a ring. You guys. Oh my God, hold on. Hold up. Let me take this off. Does it fit? Yeah. LGN Pro, look. LGN Pro, baby. This feels weird because it feels like your fingers are stuck together. This is awesome for like photo ops and stuff. This is great. You can even do it like that. Put it low. Damn, I gotta do my nails. You know what also reminds me of? You know, like those old time movies where they put those rings on to fight? Honestly, these two gold rings are probably my favorite. Thank you so much, Tres Colori, for sending these jewelry to me. You guys, I feel like I can't talk. I'm so obsessed with everything. Of course, you already know, use my code Lissette, 1S. It'll be also linked in the description box. And yeah, you know what? I think I need to do a set really quick just to show them off, take some pictures, and yeah, know all that good stuff. So let's just get started and do my nails real quick. Okay, we're gonna go on with the stiletto, XL stiletto tips. I'm gonna go ahead, use my base gel, applying it to the entire surface. And then I'm just gonna line it up, cure it. Oh my God, my rings look so good. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cure that. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with my base gel, apply that to the entire surface, doing a thin layer, and then I'm gonna cure that for a full 60. I keep staring at the rings, they're so freaking pretty. I am in love. I'm gonna go in with Peach Perfect, and I feel like for my skin tone, I don't know, this is just like the perfect like pinky peach tone for me. But I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna add a little bit on the nail plate because I think I want to make these nails crystal clear and then have like gold bling and chain on the surface. I think that'll look, actually, did I do something like that already? We're gonna do it anyway. So I'm literally just taking a small amount and I'm just gonna place it right there. Oh, and my brush is stiff. Loosen her up. Just gonna cover it a little bit. I just don't want it to show. Why are you not focusing? The rings are probably too flashy. I did not prep my nails on nothing. I just slapped the stuff on. Y'all already know, before y'all do any kind of nail set, like before you do them on, please make sure you prep your nails because I for sure didn't prep mine at all. My skin looks hella dry. Dang. My fingers look so good with the rings. We're gonna go in with Crystal Clear Hard Gel and just slap it on. I'm gonna cure that one, and we're gonna continue doing that to the rest of them. Okay, really quick nail cleanser. Clean surface. Gonna go ahead, nail file. File the side. Side. And with the surface. And of course, you already know I want them extremely sharp. These are like daggers. I'm gonna go ahead and just buff really fast. Getting a really good buffing because these are clear and I wanna make sure I'm not gonna have any kind of scratches from when I was trying to file it or when I was filing it. So I'm gonna go ahead back in with my nail cleanser. Clean, clean, clean. I'm actually gonna wash my hands really quick. Okay, from here, I think I want to go in. So I have this chrome powder and I can't remember. This was from Temu. I'm gonna try it on my pointer, see how I like it. I still want it to be like slightly transparent. So I'm hoping it does that. So let me just put a top coat. So I'm gonna go in with a shiny no white top coat and I'm gonna just paint that on. You guys know how top coat works. Really quick, I'm just gonna do a really thin layer. I'm gonna do it for like 45 seconds. I'm not gonna do the full minute. I'm gonna take one of these things, get a little foam ball, perfect. I'm gonna dip, let's see, let me just, you see it's like full coverage. Do I like that? I kinda do. I like that, I think that looks pretty. I'm gonna leave it. I like that. I'm gonna do that to all of them. The mini stiletto. Yeah, probably should have did that for this video. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with chain. I think I'm gonna go in with this one. I kind of want to keep these pretty simple. I don't want to do too much, but I do want it to look flashy. I honestly can't remember if I did something like this already, but of course you already know I want to go in with some bling, put it down the center, and then wrap each one with this. Why I can't remember if I did that or not. Tell me if I'm wrong. These are the champagne and emerald green bling box that I have on the site. Just leave that open. I'm gonna go in with my Bling It No White rhinestone gel. I'm gonna gonna cover the entire surface. Just gonna place it on the nail. Oh, I'm shaking. Yeah, I wasn't even seeing that. What in the world? My bad. Just slightly longer. Fix it, cure it, and if I have anything extra hanging, I'll cut it again. Oh my God, that took so long. Okay, we're gonna add bling bling, cause I need it. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna cure before I mess it up. This is hilarious. I have like a little side mirror and I keep looking at myself. It's like the perfect length too. Oh, my nails are done. Y'all, they are flashy, but hello. My rings are popping. My rings are popping. All right, so this is the final look of the nails, y'all. And look, you can see my ring. Let me know if I did this nail design already. I kind of feel like I did. I just don't. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much. Tres Colori. Let me know if I said that right. Thank you so much for sending these items to me. They're beautiful and gorgeous, and I will take very good care of them, I promise. I need to update my earrings now because I feel like my earrings are too bad for this. But that is it for this video. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are subscribed to all of my channels, all of my social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe and use my code if you're gonna shop Tres Colori. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love ya.